Here we go. We're live here at Price Mansion, Bunker Hill. We're cooking up some hot dogs, some portobello mushrooms, a little bit of eggs and white yolks and white everything you want to have white in it. Salt and pepper. We're just gonna cook everything. It's gonna be delicious. It could be anything you couldn't want to design in your life. It's open, fantastic, delicious. I don't know.
So what are we doing right now?
Tossing around some portobello mushrooms with some sweet cabbage cheese and some carrots and some hot dogs and all these little sausages and little fucking dinky little shits that they're just delicious. And we're gonna fucking cut them up and fucking stick them in our asses.
Exactly right. Exactly. That's what's gonna happen.
Fuck. I'm fucking starving.
Look at that nice, delicious thing. Cooking. Just
Fuck. I need something to fucking
eat.
Looks like shit, but we'll fucking eat it. This is fucking garbage. This is horse shit. This is fucking crap. We're gonna eat the shit out of it. We're gonna fucking eat the shit out of it, though.
Oh, we definitely will.
This looks good. There's mushrooms in there. You couldn't tell, but there is there. They're in there.
Oh yeah.
Good shit. Look at this one.
That's good shit.
Oh.
Oh. Look at that. Seasoning and shit? What is that? What is that?
Oh, that's tomatoes. We just put in about 6 plants worth of tomatoes in there. And we're gonna let that simmer. We just cut them up fine into pieces.
Oh,
We minced them for about an hour. And we just threw them in there. The eggs, we hatched them.
we hatched them. Holy shit.
The hot dogs, we raised them. So it's pretty much farm to table.
Pretty much right on the table. Yeah, right.
Farm to table to the ketchup. The chicken shit. And the fucking tomato.
Hey, Britt.
Hey, Britt, you shit. So here you go. This is a fucking fine farm to table fucking organization you got going on here. Oh.
It's done. All right. All right.